Hi, so today I'm going to share my approach about this question, sum of even numbers after queries from Leetcode. Okay, so this question says that we have been given an array named as nums. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have given a queries array that is a 2D array. Okay, it is 10, comma -3, 1, comma -40, and 2, 3. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to return this output. Okay, let us see the explanation of this input. So at first our nums array is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this first index of the queries 2D array is 1, 0. So what we have to do, we have to add this one, okay, to this particular index, like 0th index. So our 0th index is 1. Okay, so we have to add 1 to our 0th index, and after that we have to uh, take sum of all the even values or numbers present in our array, like changed array. So if we add 1 to our 0th index, then it our nums array becomes 2, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you on docs also. So let's say query is 1, 0. Okay, and our nums array is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is like query 1. So after query 1, our nums array will be changed. So what we have to do, the first index will be the first index. Let me, acha, okay. First index will be value, and the second index will be index. So second element. So our nums array will be changed into this. So we have to add 1 to our 0th index of our nums array. It will become 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So after that, we have changed our nums array. So we have to take the sum of all the even numbers. Okay, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 4, and it will give us 8. So likely we'll have to do all these things, like query addition to the particular index and taking the sum of all the even numbers after our array is altered or changed, and after that we have to store this even and return an even array for all the queries. Okay, so I hope you understand my uh, approach. Let us go toward the code. Okay, so right now I am going to loop over the queries array so that we get the value and index, and we have to we can change our original array and take the even sum out of this. Okay, so let uh, value equals queries of I of 0. So the first this thing 0th index of any particular this thing is the value, and the next is index. So let index will be queries of I of 1. Okay, so 1 is value and 0 is index. In this -3 is value and 1 is index. So we have to add -3 to the 2. So the second operation, our 2 becomes -1. And next, -4 is the value and 0 is the index. And next, 2 is the value and 3 is the index. Okay, it is pretty much simple. So after that, what we have to do, we have to change our array. So array is nums of index equals to nums of index plus value. We just have to add the value to our uh, nums to the particular index which is given in the query. Okay. After that, what we have to do, we have to take all the even numbers and get the sum of all the even numbers. So for that, we'll need another loop. So we'll also need a sum variable. Let sum equals 0 because we need the sum of all the even numbers. At first it is 8 because we changed our array according to query. We added 1 to the 0th index, then our array become 2, 2, 3, 4, and we need a sum of all the even numbers. That is 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is 8. Okay. So I'm looping over the nums array and checking if any element is even or not. If it is even, then I am adding to the sum. So after taking the sum, we can push it into our answer or even array. So we can take an even outside this for loop. Even array will be empty at starting. And after getting the sum, we can just push even dot push sum because we want to get the even sum for all the queries. This is query 10. The same principle will go for query -3 1, and same will go for -4 0, and same for 2 3. Okay. And after that, we will return our even array. So it says that the test case is accepted. Okay, and let me try to submit it. It is saying success. I think I should explain all the queries. Let me go to this Word document. So at first this was this. So query 2 is -3 1. So after we get this 8, then even array will be 8 because we are pushing the sum. Okay. So next is query 2. Query 2 is -3 1. So our array was changed this 2 3 4. So we will change our array. Change array. And we will add -1 to the 1th index. 1th index is 2. We will add not -1, -3. Okay. So nums will become 2, 2 -3 will be -1. -1, 3, 4. Okay. And we will check. We will get sum of all the even numbers. Even numbers. Okay. So here even numbers are 2 and 4. So it will be 2 plus 4. It will give 6. And as soon as we get 6, we will store this in our even array. So previously it was 8. After that we are storing another. We are pushing. We are storing another number. So it will be 8, 6. Okay. This is our even array. So for other queries also, we have to perform these similar steps. query 3. Spelling is wrong here. Try to avoid it. Query 3 is what? It is minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0. So we have to change our array. So nums array will be changed to. So previously it was 2 minus 1 3 4. Okay. So we have to change 0th index and subtract by 4. So 2 minus 4 will be minus 2 and rest will be same. Then 3, then 4. Okay. Then we have to take sum of all even numbers. Okay. It will be 4. Okay. Sum of all even numbers. So here we don't have to take the absolute value. The integers which are non-negative can also be considered as even. Okay. So the sum of the even numbers will be minus 2 plus 4. So it will give us 2. And after that, we will push it in our even array. So even array will give us 8, 6, 2. Here you can see the answer. We are approaching near to our answer. Okay, only one element is left. So only one query is left for that. It will be query number 4. Okay, query 4 is 2, 3. So we have to change our array or num array, whatever you say it. Nums previously it was minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4. So we have to add 2 to the third index, 3th index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to add 2 to this 4. Okay. So our changed nums array will become minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4 plus 2. Because our query is this now, we have to add 2 to the 3th index. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. Okay. And sum of all even numbers will be minus 2 and 6. Plus 6 will be 4. So we will add or push this 4 to our even array. Even will give us, previously it was 862. We will push another number to this, so it will become 862, 4, because we found this 4 after doing all these steps like changing the array and getting the sum. Okay. So this was the explanation. I hope you found it helpful, and thanks. We'll meet in the next. Okay, bye.